Hello viewers, welcome to educators.com. This is Venkatam Ganji. In the previous session, we have discussed about what is a scroll view. The default scrolling is vertical. Now we are going to discuss about horizontal scroll view. So where you need not to give any orientation or properties like horizontal and all. Just simply, so we have an element in our layout file which is going to take the horizontal scrolling. Open your studio, create a new project, name it as horizontal scrolling, and do the remaining entries. The project has been created. Open your layout activity. So the default is relative layout. Change that to horizontal scroll view. So we have a direct element to do with horizontal scrolling. So you need not to change anything. So here we have a default text view as we discussed in the previous video. So give the values from the string references like educators and text. So the text size I am taking 20. So that must be ST because I am dealing with text views. So change your, and the same way here, give your background as usual with the color reference and change the text as a string reference. I have created a string and naming it as educators. Open your layout file. So and I'm done with everything. Just have a look at in the preview. So after this, and I would like to make this as a center, completely center of the layout. So I'm going to take the layout gravity now. Let's make it center vertical. So means vertically center. So that automatically move to the center, and just I'm giving the height, a random height. I'm going to take it as 100 dp. So instead of regular wrap content height. So even in this 100, so means in this text view height, I would like to make the text at the center. For that, I am going to use the gravity concept. So make the gravity and center. So save this and give some padding right, sorry, margin right. Padding means it will create a white space inside. If you want to observe, just give the padding. So overall padding, I'm just taking it as 3 dp. If you observe inside the text, it is say a small white space has been created. To observe it properly, so I'm giving it as 8 dp, which looks nice. And the same way, give your text color as well. So as whatever we discussed in the previous session. So I'm going to give the default value. So as I do remember this, and the text style, so bold. Save this. Same way I'm going to add the remaining text views. So just add margin as well to differentiate the text views. So margin right I'm taking, so because it is going to be side by side. So margin right, as usual, I'm taking the 10 dp default. So and to support the right to left, you should give margin end also. So margin end, the same value 10 dp. So the warning has been resolved. Copy this, paste accordingly. So the new one has been created. It is saying that exception raised during the rendering because the horizontal scroll can host only single shade. So as usual, we know, as we discussed in the previous session, to put all of them inside a linear layout. So the width match parent, height I'm going to take it as match parent, add it at the end of views, save it. I did not provide any orientation here because you need not. So and the width must be wrap content because I'm going to view the views larger than the physical screen. Okay, though you did not provide any orientation, it's working because the default orientation for linear layout is horizontal. So like this, keep on add the values. So the third one is also fit in the screen. So just add the fourth one, so which you cannot see. So just randomly I'm creating 5 values, mean 5 text views. So let me create the color values in my colors.xml file. Open your colors.xml and create the color values, or you can use the basic values which are available for you. So I'm going to create the color string values now. So I have created the color values. Come back to your layout file. So give the color reference now. So change all the values. So I have changed all of my text view colors. So let's run this application and observe this. Save it. Click on run button. It will show you the connected devices. Click on OK. It will take some time to load it on your emulator. So it is launching the activity on our emulator 100 virtual device. See, I can see 3 text views properly, and the fourth one is not visible properly. If you scroll, it will be. If you observe here at the bottom, you can see the scroll bar as well. So this is how we work with the scroll views. If you want to check this in your landscape mode, you just click on this rotate left. So automatically it will be created. As it is an auto rotate, you can see like this. But now these 5 text views has been fit in the screen now. If you want, you just add some more text views as well to observe those changes. Some roll back to my portrait mode. So this is how we work with the horizontal scrolling in our Android. Thanks for watching educator.com. Let's catch up in the next session.